Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran and today's video we will be talking about these two foundations. So the Maybelline one is like always my favorite. In fact, everybody owns this foundation in your vanity. And Nykaa just recently launched this foundation, which is a Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. So starting the video, do hit that thumbs up button as well as do subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with more such videos. Let's get started. So let's start the demo here. I'm applying a moisturizer on my face, under eye and mouth area just to hydrate my face. That's it. Apart of this, I'm not going to apply any sort of corrector, primer, anything at all. We'll directly start with the foundation. The first foundation I'm using here is the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. It comes with a pump which is pretty convenient. I'm going to take one full pump of this foundation using my same kabuki brush from Sugar Cosmetics. I'm not going, this brush is basically washed, you guys. I'm never gonna repeat the mistake that I did in my last video. So yeah, I'm just blending this out really well into my skin like this. Now when I applied this foundation, the first thing I noticed was this foundation is very, like glowy. It's giving me that nice dewy finish on my skin. And it was very nice. It felt really nice. It didn't feel like I'm applying something heavy or any of that. It was feeling very good, just like a second skin, I would say. So yeah, I was loving that. Now I'm gonna apply the same thing on my eyes as well. Now you guys know, if you have watched my previous videos, that I have deep dark circles and heavy pigmentation. So this is what one layer of the foundation looks like on my pigmented skin. Now I thought, why not go in with another layer and see how that works. So I just picked up the same foundation and going in with another layer. Now when I was applying the second layer, I noticed that this foundation was blending into the skin really well. Normally if you're layering up the foundations, it would feel a little difficult for you to blend on, but this is not doing that. Yeah, so this is what my two layers of the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation looks like. It has covered pretty much my dark circles pigmentation really well, although my skin looks a little gray around my mouth area, around the dark circles area, like you can see right below my under eyes, and around my mouth area I still see visible pigmentation. That is just because I have not applied any corrector, but the foundation is great. Now let's start with my Maybelline foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I don't know how many times I said that in my video, but yeah. So I'm just applying one layer of the Maybelline foundation and I'm gonna see how this works. Now I'll tell you guys, the Maybelline foundation has a kind of orange hint in it, which makes the foundation very nice on my pigmented skin. So yeah, so I'm just blending this out like so. Now when I was blending this out, I noticed that this is a proper matte foundation. It was giving me that proper matte finish, because you guys know I belong to proper oily skin and I'm always looking for matte foundations. So yeah, I've just applied one layer of this foundation and you can see the difference, you guys. Just with one layer, the foundation looks very nice, fantastic on my skin, and has like proper medium coverage, whereas the Nykaa one, like I told you guys, has a very sheer to medium coverage, but Maybelline has medium to buildable coverage. So I just applied another layer of this foundation again just to see how that would work. Now when I was applying the second layer, alright, so you guys did see the demo how that went. Now let's talk about this beautiful foundation, which is the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. First thing, this is what the packaging looks like. This is the packaging of the foundation. It comes with this beautiful glass bottle and also has this pump in it, which is very convenient. The shade I am in is Coffee 14. This retails now.
for
So the Nykaa
599
side
rupees.
is actually pretty,
So
like
let's get into a
sheer to
little more
medium
detail
coverage,
about
whereas
this
my Maybelline
foundation.
one
They say it
has
is an
like
all-day matte foundation, but
proper
actually
medium
this
coverage
will give you
and
that
is,
beautiful dewy
or
glowy
like
effect
it
on the
does give you
face.
that
If
poreless
I
skin
belong to a
effect.
oily skin, I would use this
Alright,
foundation
so
during the
let's
winters,
talk
which
more
would
about these
be perfect.
foundations.
Now a part of this foundation is beautiful and has a medium coverage. If you apply 2 to 3 layers of this foundation, you can definitely build up the coverage. So with that, I would want to say that this foundation is absolutely fantastic for the price range, and also the foundation feels very nice on the skin. It just feels like your second skin. I buy this foundation again, then definitely yes, I see myself using this foundation a lot, and I would definitely recommend you guys to buy this. Side we have this beautiful foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now you guys know this is what the packaging looks like, and this also comes with a pump. So I actually broke the bump. I actually broke the pump of this foundation. So this is what the pump looks like. So this is what the pump looks like of the foundation. Alright, so this foundation shade is 338, and it says it is a matteless plus poreless finish foundation. Definitely this is a matte foundation. It gives you that super matte effect on the skin, gives you that proper powdery finish. For the oily skin, this is like the best foundation. I have used this foundation like for years and years together in the past, and I am just a big fan of this foundation. Now coming to the pricing, this comes off somewhere around 550 rupees, which is like somewhere around 50 rupees difference with the Nykaa's foundation. And overall this is my favorite foundation for sure, because this gives me that proper matte finish effect and also gives me slight blurriness on my face and all of that. So yeah, I definitely recommend this foundation as well. Now if you guys ask me which foundation is superb in this, I would say go for both, because this will give you that proper matte finish effect, and if you're looking for something which is dewy nice on the other side and like a satiny finish, this would be the perfect foundation you're looking for. The last thing I want to add on is Maybelline definitely has more shades compared to Nykaa. I think the Nykaa has like somewhere around 15 shades. So yeah, with that, this is it with the foundation reviews. If you guys found this video even a little bit helpful, then do give me that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm coming up with more such beautiful videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran, and in today's video we will be talking about these two foundations, the Maybelline Fit Me All Day Matte and the Nykaa's All Day Matte Foundation. Uh, so if you like this video, or if you like anything about this video at all, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Every time you give me that thumbs up, I feel so Amia. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, my name is Safran, and in today's video we will be talking about these two foundations. We will see the comparison. Before starting the video, please do hit that subscribe button and do hit the thumbs up every time you give Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran, and in today's video we will be talking about these two foundations. So these two foundations is what. So please do subscribe and